Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. My name is Dora and thank you for joining me today. Hey everyone, my name is Dora and today I'm going to show you how to make milk bath scoops. They're very similar to bath bombs. The only difference is that they're scooped instead of molded. This scoop is loaded with lots of skin-loving ingredients. After the scoop fizzles out, you're left with a milk bath that's not only very relaxing, but is also great for skin. Please read the description for the recipe, substitutions, and the purpose of each ingredient. The titanium dioxide will make the water an opaque white, just like milk. The surfactant makes the scoops dry faster and harder. Add some mica powder for a bit of sparkle in your milk bath. Always add mica to wet ingredients to reduce airborne particles. Add wet to dry and mix it. After, knead and squeeze mixture with your hands to make sure the ingredients are fully incorporated. The mixture is going to puff up. Let the mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's no longer puffy, then you can scoop it. Fill the scooper, pack it, and make the bottom as flat as possible. Place the scoop on parchment. I was impatient and didn't let the mix rest long enough. You can see the scoops puffing up. So I re-scooped a few that were really puffy. Make a mini scoop with leftover mix. The recipe makes 10 medium scoops. Add decoration while the scoops are still moist. You can leave the scoops plain. I tried, but I'm just too weak when it comes to sparkle. I just can't resist it. Use any type of decoration. You can sprinkle oats, sparkling bath salts, or even drizzle butter on top. I used eco glitters. They are absolutely gorgeous. So gorgeous, in fact, I couldn't choose one. I kept going back and forth. If the scoops are dry, you can spritz them with witch hazel, then add decoration. If you're distributing them, containers with dome lids are a good option. If they're for you, a pretty apothecary jar looks amazing and is very convenient on the side of the tub. This is one that I just made 10 minutes ago. They normally don't puff up like this, but I have to say I really enjoyed it. After a few hours, they should be dry to the touch and will most likely behave like this. I thoroughly enjoyed these scoops and plan on keeping them stocked in my house from now on. Thanks for dropping by. Check out the description for the recipe, helpful notes, and the supply list at the bottom.